Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cut elements in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cutting a video, element, images, photos, an audio in Capcut PC or Mac is a straightforward process that allows you to trim, split, and remove parts of anything here inside the platform. Whether you are trying to remove unwanted sections or break your video into smaller clips or cutting a photo or an audio, Capcut offers an easy-to-use interface for cutting. Alright, so first off is when you open the Capcut on your PC or Mac, all you have to do is click the create a new project if you want to begin your work from scratch. But if you already are working on an existing project, just click that project. Now you would notice that one of my video clips are extended and I want to cut it so that they are kind of like synced together. So it's extended and I don't want to deal with it with the extended part. So for you to be able to cut it, all I have to do is, you see there is a tool here on the top corner where you can see the option that says split. That is the cut tool, where you just place the playhead to the desired position you want to cut. For example, I'm going to be choosing this video, the subscribe button. Alright, so I'm gonna place it around here because I don't want that part. So I'm going to click this split section. You see there are like two clips now. The left side is going to be the original or the wanted to retained, and the other one is going to be something that I don't want and I wanted to eliminate. All I have to do once it's selected, click the delete option, and that's it. You have basically deleted the clip. Now we were going to do the same thing on the bottom part here. So you see I have already clipped that. Right click on it and there is an option here that says delete or trim clip, whichever you wanted. All right, or if you want, click the delete option. You have all these sections for you. All right, so once you have done that, you want to make sure that they are aligned together. Just play it. You want to make sure that the video is cohesive enough after clipping, and then of course you can split as many video, audio, or images into many parts as needed, depending on how many sections you want to cut or rearrange. Once you're happy, all I have to do is go to the export button on the top right corner where you can export it to different file formats. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.